But we are also learning that an anti-terror operation has been launched in the forest area of Kishtwar district of Jammu after two terrorists were spotted in the area. A brief exchange of fire, in fact, was also reported. Additional forces have now been rushed to the spot and the area has been cordoned off. We'll bring you more details with regards to this mega operation launched at this point of time. CNN News 18's Tejinder Singh Sodhi is also joining us on the phone line. Tejinder, please tell us more about this particular operation. What are the possibilities of the number of people who have infiltrated through the borders?
As my colleague from Srinagar, Ishan, was also mentioning that an encounter right now is underway in South Kashmir's Anantnag district. There has been another anti-terror operation which is underway in the Kishtwar area of Jammu region. And what is important about these two operations is that these two operations are happening at the forest and hilly areas, which are thinly inhabited. So these terrorists, they are trying to find shelter in the forest area. So it seems that these terrorists, they are highly trained in jungle warfare. There have been inputs that large number of terrorists, they have managed to successfully infiltrate into the Indian side through the international border and the line of control from Jammu region. As Ishan was also mentioning, that it seems that the group of terrorists which is right now engaged in the encounter in Anantnag district, they had infiltrated through Jammu. They had taken the route from Doda, Kishtwar, and had managed to reach in Anantnag, where they have been right now are engaged in an encounter with security forces. In Jammu region, as we speak, there have been several such terror attacks in the past as well. We have seen that there has been sudden increase in terror activities in Jammu region, especially in Doda, Kishtwar, the upper reaches of Doda and Kishtwar. But right now, we just got a statement from the police which says that a brief exchange of fire has taken place between terrorists and security forces in the area of falling under Kishtwar police station. The entire area stands cordoned off by the security forces. Additional reinforcement of army, the SOG of Jammu and Kashmir police has rushed to the spot. We are told that drones are also being used by the security forces to find the exact location of these hiding terrorists, because these terrorists, they are taking the advantage of thick forest area to hide and target our security forces. Yes.
Right, Tejinder and Ishan, thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial inputs with regards to both the news breaks that we got from our viewers straight from Jammu and Kashmir.